One special track, and this guy took two songs, one by the Donatellas and one by yours truly, the Maestros, doing Till the End of the World Rolls Round. He put them together. It sounds like the bands are actually playing side by side and trading measures back and forth. It's just an amazing work of art. So if you get a chance, see Mr. Todd Zagani over later. You can make a donation. I think we still have CDs available. We can send them out to you. But I'll tell you what, it's worth the money just for that one song, because it's like the two bands really jamming together. It's really a great production.
I think Todd does have CDs here. You do have the Jammer-thon. Todd Zagani from Polka Jammer Network has them here. And so for a meager donation, you can get a copy. I think you'll enjoy this. Now, if we can get it right, we're going to reproduce that.
Anything's possible.
Sail the sea of life, I sail my boat alone. Your love meant nothing to me, dear. My heart was made of stone. In a harbor full of loneliness, my empty boat was moored. But the day that I met you, I fell right overboard.
Till the end of the world rolls round, I'll keep on loving you. As long as the sun goes up, it comes down, and the blue sky comes down to the ground. As long as the world goes around and around, I'll keep on loving you.
Whenever you're around me, dear, my heart just won't be still. When it comes to kissing you, I'll never get my fill. They say I never settle down, and I would always roam. But there'll never be a time for a loving wife at home.
Till the end of the world rolls around, I'll keep on loving you. As long as the sun goes up, it comes down, and the blue sky comes down to the ground. As long as the world goes around and around, I'll keep on loving you. So now I know the way I felt was only selfish pride. But my heart was fireproof, but shivering